can see the jet just up there. I don't know if this camera will be able to show it, but there is a little bugger. And there's the chemtrail it laid down there. Oh, it's laying more chemtrails there. It's a pretty big jet. So yeah, we caught it doing that one today. They really try and do it where people don't notice. And you can see all these clouds here, these wispy clouds, as the result of the chemtrails. And he's actually putting these chemtrails into this big cloud here, which has been been making some thunder noise. So it's possibly something to do with some weather modification, because this cloud here is one big storm cloud, and they've just put another chemtrail right into it for some reason.
Okay, so how long I get the details and you send it out, we'll send it out to you. Okay. If you need a dial as well.